know it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again today with a vlog. So guys, look at what I'm wearing. I'm going to the water park today. If you guys are from Toronto or the GTA, I'm going to Wet n Wild, also previously known as Wild Water Kingdom. So me, my friend, and my auntie's going there today. So getting ready. So I got my bathing suit and I'm wearing some shorts over it because I can't show the front. I go in front of picnic. Can't show all of that, right? So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Click the like, because we're gonna get into this day, guys. So yes, guys, so I'm just getting ready now. I just need to pack my bag. I took out everything that I needed already, so I'll just have to do that. And then I'm waiting for my friend to come. We have to take Uber because Kemar gone with my car to work, so I have to take Uber. So just waiting for my friend, as I said, and then we're gonna probably leave around 12:40 or something like that. I'm not sure of the time right now. I think it's like 12:20. So probably in the next 20 minutes. Hopefully my friend comes soon because we have to make reservations. It is for 1:15, so we're going there for 1:15. And guys, yo, it's gonna be my first time coming here. Like, I lived here like my whole life and I've never been to this place before, so it's gonna be my first time. So I'm kind of excited for that. I'm just nervous if it's gonna be cold because I don't like being cold and I'm not trying to catch sick right now. If you're sick, you come in like them beliefs that COVID you have. So oh god. But yeah, guys, so just getting ready and I will link you guys back soon. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as a day. I'm bringing my waterproof case, yeah, and it matches. So I'm bringing my waterproof case, so hopefully I can get to vlog through it. Hopefully it's not blurry because sometimes this stuff it makes the camera blurry, but I'm gonna try and get as much stuff as possible. I'm excited, guys. But yeah, I hope I have a great day. I try not to eat too much because, guys, imagine like you eating a lot and then when you reach a water park, you have to use the bathroom. You have to shit. Excuse my mouth. But yo, imagine that. Like, nah, it's not even one of those. So we just eat something light and then I'm gonna enjoy myself. I have to tie up my hair, you know, catch it up so the chlorine you know, root it up too much. So make sure I tie it up. And yeah, I'm excited. So I packed my bag. I just need to put my water shoes. Yes, I have my Jamaican water shoes. Thank God I bought these because now they're gonna come in handy. I don't have to walk on the people on the floor barefoot. So I'm gonna put that in there. I need to put a scandal bag in here because no one's putting no wet up clothes inside the bag. So I'm gonna do that. And right now I'm just gonna put on this dress over my swimsuit and stuff, just so it's just easy to take off when I reach the place. I'm not trying to be no long hassling and changing in the change room, guys. I'm like, I have a phobia of like germs and just being in like public bathrooms and change rooms, and like it's so disgusting. And remember, like, it's COVID. Like, nah, I'm not trying to pack up in like a little area with people. So if I can avoid people and avoid public like restrooms and change room at all costs, then I'm gonna do that. So I just need to put on that dress over this, get the scandal bag, put it in the bag, and then just go upstairs and just wait until it's time to leave. Yeah, guys, so we're in the Uber now. Now we're on our way to get Wet n Wild. So guys, we have reached. We're just in the parking lot section, so watch us slide them. I'm so excited.
Yo, Dre.
Of course, but me not do it. I have on my water shoes, guys. Jamaica everywhere I go. And it's burning me on my back. We might have tan line later. So guys, we're gonna go in the wave pool right now. The wave are going with a bag of things. See it now? But we're gonna put down our bag. I think that's where the lazy river stirs. I forgot that the glasses is on my face and now I have to figure it out. It's just hot. No man! Why? It's cool! Woo. No man! Yo, this is torture! We have to just run in. Oh my god. Why am I scared for the tattoo, bro? I'm scared. I'm cold. So what you want to go in that lazy river? I know you have to wet yourself up before. I'm so scared for this tattoo. Alright, so you jump in there. There, that's it. Yeah. It's freezing, girls. It's freezing, guys. It's freezing, everybody. Guys, the ghetto. Like, we're in the lazy river, but there's no tube. Like, that doesn't make sense. Them say we have to wait for somebody to have tube, so right now we're just walking through it. Tasha, you can do it, man.
What are we going to call it?
That's what I'm saying. And too much crowd that come COVID. Let me lock the bread. There's too much people right here. Bun me. Moisturizer is dripping from my face and really open up my eyes. It was deep, it was 9 foot deep, the first slide that I went on. Can barely help me eye. They're so excited. This is one that we're going on right now. You guys can see the highway. We're very high up right now. Watch the train line. So we just went on this slide, guys. We just kept getting stuck. Like, I don't know if there's not enough water, or I'm too heavy or what.
Girl looks so pretty.
That's pretty, girl. Yeah.
Very long slide.
Put away my phone just to enjoy the rest of the day because honestly I keep putting it away and I can't bother to get it wet. So we're just putting our stuff back in the locker and I'll see you guys after. So guys, oh my god, we're done here. It was so much fun. Like, when I reach home I'm gonna tell you guys about it because it was fun, but there was a lot of like cons about it, to be honest. So we're just ordering funnel cake right now. Thank you. Sorry. Okay guys, so I'm home now. I don't know if you guys can see, my eyes are red as hell. I can't see, like everything is blurry. But okay, let me tell you guys about what you guys missed. So we went on a bunch of water slides. Guys, there was one water slide where, yo, it's called Old Canada or something. Was it called Old Canada? Yeah. It's one of those 90-degree drop slides with like the trap door. So you stand up and then the door just moves from under you and you just free fall. Guys, that was so friggin' scary. Like, I'm a daredevil and I can manage certain things, but my heart couldn't manage that the one day. My heart was in my mouth. Like, I just wanted to hurry up and reach outside. It was too crazy. Like, oh god, I don't think I would ever go back on that. It was too much. Like, thinking about it, my heart hurt me right now. God no. I feel nervous. But yeah guys, so that was my first time I went to that place, and honestly I would not go back. It's so ghetto. Like, they're just not up to date. They claim that they did refurbish. I don't see which part of that place could have been refurbished because it was so bad. Like, yo, we went to a restaurant to like get food. They never had what we wanted, which it's understandable, but they gave us our drinks, the cup with no lid and no straw. It's friggin' Corona time. I don't know which part them cup go. For me put my mouth on them cup. The floors were just stripping. Like, the floors for when you walk up to the slides, they were stripping. Just everything about that water park was just so ghetto. I would never go back, honestly. That's literally a place you go to when like you're extremely bored and you have nothing better to do, honestly. But other than that, like, I had a good day because of the person that I went with, or the people that I went with. And yeah, should be right to this song. Yeah, drinking juice and such. Guys, I'm tired right now, beat out. There's a barbecue happening today. I wanted to go, but God no, I can't, but I go. I feel nauseous, man. I feel sick. But I'm gonna end this vlog off right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, share with no matter, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, no everybody. Yeah, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.